Hello everyone, but before we start, I would like to introduce myself first. Hi, my name is Rachel Prasho and I'm from BSIT2B. So in this video, I will discuss how to convert infix expressions into postfix and prefix using stacks. So I will show a clear example and explain the process step by step. So infix notation is what we normally use, where the operator is between operands, for example, A plus B. So computers, however, prefer postfix and prefix because they remove the need for parentheses and operator precedence rules. So, what is infix? Infix is an operator between operands, like A plus B. So what is postfix? Postfix is operator after operands like A, B plus. And while prefix is operator before operands like plus, A, B. So operator precedence table. Asterisk and slash have higher precedence than plus and minus signs. So let's proceed to our example. So infix to postfix conversion. So we have our infix here. A plus B asterisk C. So first, let's create an empty stack for operators and an empty output list. Step 2 is scan the infix expression from left to right. So in step 1, let's read A. Operand add to output, so it will output A. Step 2 is read plus push onto stack, so the stack will be having plus sign. Next, step 3 is read B. It will operand and add to output, and the output will be A, B. And step 4, it will read the asterisk, higher precedence than positive or plus sign. So push it from the stack to the stack, which is asterisk. So step 5, read C, operand add to output, so we have ABC. Now, end of the expression, we will pop all the operators. So the output will be ABC asterisk plus. So our postfix result is ABC asterisk plus. So let's proceed to infix to prefix conversion. So our infix are still A plus B asterisk C. So now let's convert the same expression to prefix. So step 1, reverse the infix expression. So instead of A plus B asterisk C, it will become C asterisk B plus A because we reverse it. So in step 2, convert to postfix using the same logic. So it will be CB asterisk A plus. So we will reverse it again so we can get our prefix. So our prefix will be plus A asterisk BC. So that will be our prefix. So why it works? So using stack ensures that operator precedence and associativity are properly managed. From asterisk is evaluated before plus sign, which is why the results are equivalent to the original infix meaning. And that's how you convert infix expression into postfix and prefix forms using stack. So remember, infix is human readable, while postfix and prefix, it is a computer friendly. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.